It was normal. Don't say hello, how are you? You will be cut off from people. If you are all lucky, then on the official channel of WebJoni, here you are called Kusham Dev with the new video of WS Sender. Then our viewers have a lot of questions that how to use WS Sender, how to run the campaign in it, and after that, how to connect the account, etc. Then that's all. I'm going to tell you something in this video today. Well, if you have come to the video for the first time, then you will definitely subscribe to the channel and pack the bell icon along with it. So if you do not have the WS Tender War Sender, if you want to take buy, then the link is present for you in the description. You can get it from our team and release it to you at reasonable price. Okay, and the link of the WebJoni.com must also be showing on that screen, so how to use it for your video without any delay. So today we will learn, okay, then first of all, we have come to the software with the 3.5 latest version of our WS Underwater sandals. So now, first of all, here you get the option of upload Excel, meaning the numbers that are there should be in often. Okay, now how should numbers be in Excel? So I will tell you through which pattern you have to put the number on Excel. Okay, so here we go to Excel. So look, we have some numbers. Now, if you are also a country, then its old country code is that of Pakistan. If you are Pakistani, if you are in any mood, then you have to write down the numbers other than the country code on Excel, just like what I've seen. Now we have to upload this file there, so how to do it? Let's go, then after coming here, you have to go to the upload Excel here, and the file with the same number you have brought here. It needs to be uploaded. Now you must put the country code in this, but do not put it in the Excel file, just put it here. How to put it here? Then you have to right click on the truck here, L. Here you get the add country code at the first number. You have to click on it, and here you are from any country you belong to. You have to write what the court is here. As I am from Pakistan, let's write +92 mango from here. And if you do okay, then this +92 will be automatically applied on all sub numbers. Okay, now you are here. Now what the man has to do is to type his message here, whatever, to type as I have written here. Pose and 3.5 available in affordable processes. Website www.webjin.com. WhatsApp number. This is okay. Now you typed one message. If you want to do another, then type another one here. Third, you want to type here. Fourth, you want to type here. Like this fifth, you can also do 5 messages. You can send it, so I will do 1, right? Then below, you can also polling here, like you will be. There is a poll option inside WhatsApp, so in the same way you can put it here too. So I will put a poll here to do the duty here. Here I have put this poll, here I have to save it because look, this is my phone. Now the button is the main thing, as if anyone clicks on it, it can go directly to your website or directly to your WhatsApp. That's how you can put the button. Okay, inside the messages, then if you press the button egg from here, then I will give it in a title here, buy now. And here button, type reply button and call to action button, search call to action button. You can also put tags. I'll take it from here. Well, you have to add more than one button. You have to put the button here, visit, number link or phone number, whatever you should do. Okay, I put the link on here. As soon as they save the ad, they will see that your button has been installed. Okay, remember that the button option has come in the latest version. In the 3.5 version, you can download it below. We have to provide you with this software at the price of the work we have for you. Okay, now there are attachments here in the rainy season. No one has to put a video. No one has to put an image. If you want to install some document, then you can install it from here. I'll take an image of what it is. Friends, as soon as you connect your account here, click on Add New Account. Give any name here and add it here. Load it from here once and connect your WhatsApp. Okay, now what to do after that? Then simply you have to do the delay setting here. Anyone can give you according to your model. All right? Now there's a button here. When everything is done, click on Start Campaign of SIM, give the name of the campaign here, and after that, you can also schedule the bus here. You and I will simply click on Start Now here. As soon as I click on Start Now, here you have to click to initiate. As soon as you click to initiate, your WhatsApp will be connected. All right. If your WhatsApp is not connected, Vishal, then initials have come here, right? If yours doesn't come, it means that your old version is either that old version, you update, or else your error is coming. If you go to watch the video of the error, then you will get the link on the I button. You can solve the complete error by watching the video from there. Well, as soon as it becomes naturalized, then you have to click on Start Now. As soon as you click on Start Now, your complaint will start. I'll show you the message sending now. Check this. The message has gone first. The image that we went to, the image has gone after that. This has not been successful yet. As soon as the complete catalog is completed, see, and more messages will come. Well, what we typed the message there, put the poll, and along with the button was built. See this. Wash, center, frequent 5 available. The message that we saw was given the button below here. As soon as you click on the button, you will go directly to the next one. It will go on the website or on WhatsApp. Okay, you can also see the call here. There was a call, and along with this, you have also sent messages. Everything will go like this. Now see, these successes are happening. Supper messages are going one by one. See here too, the report is also being shown to you. Now, as soon as this is stopped, your report will be generated. For example, if we stop it all. So as soon as you stop, this will come to us in the form of a report as to how many of your contacts have been successful and how many have spread. Okay, so now let's wait a little bit. Look, this report that we have has come to us, but 2 successes happened, and all these are friends because we had finished. That was our message. These total were 30 numbers. Yes, 2 such numbers have gone. Okay, then this is how you have to run a complaint on this. Then the next video will tell us, how do you explain its features? You have to use its features. We will make Sari videos one by one. If you like the video, then you will definitely like the video. And if you have created a channel, then you will definitely subscribe to the channel. And if you want to buy the software, then the link and description are present. You can chat from there, meet in a new interesting video.